haven't heard about the brand Naenka until they reached out to me and asked me if I want to review one of their earbuds, the Naenka Lite Pro. So, today we're gonna have a look at Naenka Lite Pro and see if they are any good. Welcome to the review of Naenka Lite Pro.
It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane.
Hello, Thiago here. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one. If it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing at the end of the video. With this said, let's start the review of the Naenka Lite Pro. Just a quick disclaimer before we start. Naenka have sent these earbuds to me for free, many thanks. But like always, I'll provide my honest opinion. Let's start with the price. Naenka Lite Pro price tag is around £42.36 in UK and for US is $59.9. I will leave links on the video description, so please check them out. The Lite Pro have a round and glamorous look. It's made of glossy white plastic. You can also get it in black color. On the front, you'll get the Naenka branding and on the bottom the USB-C port. And also on the front is a LED indicator that will light up in green, red or blue to let you know the battery percentage of the case. The lid is magnetic and the opening is very smooth, although the lid doesn't hold itself up very well. When you open the case, you can see the earbuds there, and from the top they look like the AirPods. The earbuds are very simple. They are made of the same glossy white plastic, like the case, with the LED on the bottom and the touch sensors on the top of the stem. On the battery field, they are pretty good. The earbuds will come with 7 hours of continuous playback time, and the case with 21 hours, so you will get 28 hours on total, with about 2 hours to fully charge. The Lite Pro comes with a Qualcomm 3040 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2 and also supports aptX, AAC and SBC audio codecs. They have a IPX5 water resistant rating, so running under the rain is not to be a problem. The 3040 chipset provides the Qualcomms with a true wireless mirroring technology, so swapping earbuds between the left and right is super seamless. The sound quality on the Naenka Lite Pro is quite impressive for an AirPods alternative. They sound good for the price point. They are not super bassy and punchy like the in-ear style ear tips, but you can feel that the bass is there. On the call quality, the Lite Pro sounds clear and they are able to focus on your voice. But let's have a look at some examples next.
Right guys, so this is the sound of the microphones inside of the house on my room. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the sound, if you guys think the sound is clear or not, or if you can hear me properly. Guys, we're gonna go outside now and do the microphone test outside. Right guys, so we're now outside and this is the sound outside. It's a bit windy, nothing new for England. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think the sound outside. And so we're gonna go out inside and continue with the review inside, guys.
Watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is a nice experience with no lag, but when gaming on these earbuds, I can still see some lag even with the gaming mode on. To play or pause media, pick a phone call, tap twice on either side of the earbuds. To increase volume, tap once on the right side. And to decrease the volume, tap once on the left side. To skip tracks forward, tap and hold the right side. And to skip tracks backwards, tap and hold the left side. To call your assistant, tap 3 times on the left side. And the last, tap 3 times on the right earbud to go into gaming mode. I can tell you guys that I'm really impressed with the performance of these earbuds. And if you like AirPods-like style, in my opinion, you should consider these ones. And that's it guys, this was my review on the Naenka Lite Pro. Thanks for watching this video, thanks for watching the other videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, now it's the right time to do it. I will see you on my next review, stay safe.